Hi, in this video, I want to show you how you can draw an uptrend line like a professional trader and make some money from the market. Hi, welcome back. And if you are new here, welcome to Green Forex Academy, helping traders become more profitable. If you haven't subscribed to Green Forex Academy, you can subscribe here and click the bell to get notification each time I release a new video. This is New Zealand USD 4-hour time frame. And for you to identify your A, B, C, D, you need to look for an uptrend because we want to draw an uptrend line. So here we can see the market range a little bit, but from this point we can see that we have an uptrend. So now we would like to draw our point A, point B, and point C, where we can connect point A and C to have our uptrend line. And an uptrend line is a support trend line. So if you have an uptrend serve as a support trend line. So now let's draw our trend line connecting point A and point C. So we have our trend line here connecting these 2 points. We can see connecting these 2 points. Okay, so we have point A, point B, and point C. Now, the reason why I didn't put B on this high is because this market correction is a small wave. This is a wave, but a smaller wave. So this is where so many traders are getting it wrong. If you want to draw a proper trend line like a professional, you have to consider an impulse movement and then check the next will be a correction. Always the market is creating impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction. So the market is always creating impulse and correction. But if you want to have a proper trend line, you have to consider a bigger wave, which is called the long leg. It's also impulse. Long leg, short leg. So from this point A, we can see that we have a long leg to this point, and from point B to point C, we have a short leg, which is the market correction. So here we have our point A, point B, and point C. We can see that this zone here is a small wave, and the small wave just ranged a little bit before it pushed to the upside. So we consider point A to point B our impulse, and point B to point C our market correction. So we have this trend line here, an uptrend line, as a support trend line. Now we can see that the beautiful thing that happened here is that the trend line changed to a support. Why? Because the market broke through the line here. At this point we can see where the market broke through the line. Now the price went down a little bit and test the support trend line. So the support changed to a resistance. So at this point we can say we have a good setup. Why? Because support was changed to resistance. So at this point you can see when you want to trade this, you would like to put your stop loss just somewhere here. Your stop loss will be somewhere here, just above this high, and your entry point will be below this point. Your entry point will be below here, right? So if you want to take your profit, your take profit is going to be somewhere here before point A. Point A is somewhere here, right? Point A is somewhere here around the zone. So you want to take your profit before this point. So you have your stop loss, your entry here, and your take profit is going to be here. So you can see that from this point, from your entry point here to your stop loss, you can see that the ratio is smaller than the reward. So this is why we said when a support change to a resistance, then you're going to have low risk, high reward ratio setup. So you want to consider entering a trade that's going to give you low risk and high reward ratio. This is how the professionals trade the trend line and make money from the market. I recommend that you always look for a trade setup that's going to give you more than 1:1. Here we can see that the stop loss and the take profit, we can see that the take profit is double. It's even more than twice the stop loss. So this is a very good trade setup. This is how you can trade and make money trading an uptrend line. And if you are trading on a higher time frame, it's better to use a trailing stop to keep locking in your profit and trail your stop. This is the way to go. This is how to trade, and this is how the professionals trade the trend line. So I wish you success and happy trading.